So now we've entered data into our table, we do the last few steps in this module and view the data. So let's press the back key. And we're back to the database table creation screen. And to view our data, it's very simple. We'll go back to the Utilities menu, to the Table Contents, and choose Display. Now, whenever we view a table through SE11 or SE16, SAP automatically generates a selection screen for us. So if we don't want to view all the records initially, we can enter some filter values so that the system will only show us the records that we want to focus on. Now in our case, we only entered 5 records, so there's no need to do that. But what you can do, if we did, is let's say we want to focus on one specific employee number, you can key it directly into here. Or key a range, the start and the end. But all we want to do is view all the records. So just click the Execute button or press F8. And there you can see all 5 records that we entered. If we had many more fields on the table, the screen would scroll to the right hand side, which means you wouldn't be able to see all the fields on the screen at the same time. But one thing you can do is either double click on the field and the screen will change to just focus on that one record. Alternatively, if you click the little check marks, here we'll select 3 records. You can then press the Choose button, which is F2, and the system will then allow you to cycle through the 3 records that you chose. So you see now we've got this little Next Entry button that's appeared. So if I click it, we go into the second record, then we can see a back and a forward. If we click it again, hopefully it will show the 4th record we entered. There we go, the 4th one. Press back and back again to go to the start. Then to go back to the default view, the grid where it shows all our records, just press the back key. And we're back to where we started. Have a play around with the screen, because you'll notice there are other buttons that appear on the toolbar that will allow you to filter and sort the records however you wish. So as an example, if we wanted to sort this data in, let's say, alphabetical on forename, just click on the forename field and then click the Sort Ascending button. Now you can see it's reordered the records for us. There are lots of things you can do with this table view, and you'll find that over time it becomes a really useful tool when you want to check on the data within an SAP system without going to the actual transaction screens themselves. So that's it for this module. You've created a table from scratch, you've added fields, and with the fields you've added data elements and data domains. You've defined specific field labels for each field. You've ensured you've generated a key for your table and configured the necessary technical elements to ensure it can be saved in the backend database. After that, you entered some data and now you're viewing the results.